In this video, let me show you how to fix Netflix household verification problem. Now, if you have recently moved or changed your internet connection, in this situation, you might be facing this issue. So in this situation, what you need to do is just update your Netflix household and then simply confirm it. So within the settings of Netflix, simply head over to the update household section and you should be able to receive the code on the email or the text message so that you can update it. If this is not the case for you, and secondly, if you are traveling or on a second home, you can simply see an option that is being displayed which says if you are traveling or on the go, you can tap on the watch temporarily option. If you're doing it on the smart TV as well, you should be able to see the option called traveling being displayed. You can simply tap on this option and you should be able to receive a 4-digit code on either your SMS or on the email address that is linked with your Netflix account. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.